Alrighty, so today we're going to be performing a buffer overflow attack on a program given to me by my professor. So in my directory I have tbd.c. Let's go ahead and see what's inside of it. And there's just a couple functions. It goes into the main first, it calls function f, and function tbd does not get called, but we want to call that instead. So let's go ahead and compile this with GCC. I've already done this, so it has my compilation information saved. Go ahead and do that, and then go into GDB. Go ahead and run this. So to start off with, let's add a breakpoint to f. So there's that. Let's go ahead and run this. Now we are at the breakpoint of f. We can go ahead and disassemble what things look like. So if we look at TBD, the entry location is this. So we're going to want to use this to try and enter it. So disassemble f. So we want to replace this location here with this entry position. So what we can do is I'll go ahead and exit this. There's a segmentation fault because I didn't set any arguments. So let's go ahead and set some arguments. Okay, so I have the arguments set now. We'll go ahead and run this again. Yes, let's run it. We're at breakpoint 1. I don't need to disassemble anything, but I do need to view RSP, the stack RSP. So print /x that we don't really need to see that, but for some reason if I just do the x, because I want to view the 48 bytes of RSP, it was giving it to me in integer values instead of hexadecimal values, or decimal values instead of hexadecimal values. So this is what it looks like now, before the buffer has been made. So let's continue. Well, actually, I need to set a breakpoint at this location for leave. So let's go ahead and copy that and then do a break. This is a pointer. It's a pointer. Paste that in. I now have a breakpoint set there. So if I continue, I'm at the breakpoint and we have gone through that function, but we're about to leave it. Now, if I check to see what that stack looks like, it looks like it has all A's. So maybe I put too many A's in there. It starts at this hexadecimal 41, which is the capital letter A, and fills in all of these. So instead, maybe I should do 14 of these. So if I go and change my arguments, now we want to view that once more. And it looks like I need to put another couple x55s in here because this is a null character, so it'll terminate before going to that memory location, as that memory location is 4 x55s, or 4 times those hexadecimal 55s here. So if I continue again, I'm going to get a segmentation fault. We'll go ahead and reset the args. We're at breakpoint 2. Let's check that one more time, the stack, just to verify. And it looks like it should go to the location I want it to. So if I continue, it worked. It says that all those moments will be lost in time, like tears in the rain, time to die. And we still get a segmentation fault, but we went into the other function that isn't actually available to a user by using a buffer overflow attack.